Hi everyone, welcome back to Homebody. I am Felicia, your host for today's video. So in this video, I am doing a haul from Temu. Now I'm outdoors, so you may hear some wind chimes, a car pass by. You may hear a plane pass by, a train pass by. You may hear birds chirping and things like that, but it's all in good of being outdoors. So shouts out to Temu for sponsoring this video. If you're not familiar with Temu, Temu is an online website where you can order things for your home, you can order things for outdoors, your car, you can order organizational things, you can order hair, you can order clothes, you can order whatever you can think of. It's on Temu. So I'm gonna try to place pictures of the items that I picked out from Temu, just so you can see the price. And the website is easy to maneuver through. I actually picked everything on my phone. I didn't use a laptop or a desktop or anything like that. So if you're into gadgets and home decor and things like that, you will love Temu. And one thing about it I really love is it's very affordable. So let's get started on sharing these items. I'm going to try not to be all over the place. I'm going to try to show you the items room by room. So let's start with the kitchen first. The kitchen is a fun place for those of you who love to cook. I'm not a cooker, I'm a cleaner. So I have this dish drying tray here. You can put it on your sink that way if you have a double sink, or you can put it on your sink that way if you have a wider sink. So yes, this is a dish drying tray, and it's super cute, and it's so going to be pretty in my kitchen. I'm so funny, right? So I have a smoothie blender. So I'm on this health kick now. I'm trying to lose weight. I think I've lost about 15 pounds so far, and I need to lose about 30 or 40 more. So this is a smoothie. You can make smoothies with this one. And then I have a juicer, and you can make juices with this one. Smoothie juicer. These are cute and they're affordable. So you can make juice with this, smoothie with this. They have recipes in there. And what's so unique about these is they're portable. You can charge them with your USB, so you can actually take them with you to the gym to do your post-workout protein shake. You can take them with you if you're traveling, so you don't have to fall off of your healthy weight loss plan. So these are awesome. And the next kitchen item that I have, we all can use these. You know how you can put these in your microwave to keep up your food from splattering and getting your microwave all dirty? This is what this is. Just set it on top of your plate and heat your food up, and it'll prevent the food from splattering. Awesome find, right? Look, it's even collapsible. That's unique. I haven't seen one that's collapsible before. So those are the items that I picked out for the kitchen. Let's move on to the bathroom. The first thing I'm going to share with you are these waterproof curtains. Now I picked these out for my guest bathroom, but they're sheer, so I will not be using them in my guest bathroom. Because I wanted to use them as shower curtains since they're waterproof. But I can use these in my guest bedroom because I only have one window in that room, and I have two. They're 52 inches wide and 95 or 98 inches long. So they'll be perfect in my my guest bedroom. But these are sheer and they're gray. And if you have an outdoor space and you need outdoor drapes, these are perfect for outdoors because they're waterproof. That's why I ordered them, because they're waterproof, and I was going to use them as shower curtains. But I'm not sure if this will work for my bathroom as shower curtains since they're sheer, unless I pair them with maybe some black or something, a solid black liner. That probably will be cute. I may just try that. So the next bathroom item, which I had to have, is this bar soap holder. For those of us who's old school and we still use those bars of soap, you can set your bar of soap right in this tray and it'll hold it very securely and it won't slide on off. And then if there's water on your soap, you know when you have those flat soap dishes, how when you put your soap back in there, that water accumulates in there, it gets out yucky and ugly looking. That water is gonna slide on off of this, so you won't have that problem getting all that yuckiness in the bottom of your soap dish. Look how it looks. It looks like a little chair. Somebody is playing they're like playing with their motor out there, you know, pumping on the gas. But yes, this is really cute. Look at that. I wish it was a chair so I could sit in it. Take me a good nap out here. The next item I want to share with you are these rugs. These are those memory foam rugs for the bathroom. I have a smaller one that I'm going to put in front of the toilet. I like to have a rug in front of the toilet here. So I have the smaller one. Then I have the bigger one that I'm going to put in front of the shower, because we're getting that bathroom remodeled next week and this is going to be so pretty in front of that shower. So yeah, these are those memory foam rugs. So these are really awesome for the bathroom. So that's all I have for the bathroom. So let's move on to some of the organizational things that I picked out. So, am I the only person who lose socks, whose socks tends to be missing in action, MIA? So, I picked these out for my socks, you know, so I won't be losing my socks, because like every 2 months I have to go buy me more socks because they come up missing all the time. So I ordered this for my socks. You know, I can put my socks in here and I won't lose them anymore. So I'm excited about that. This is super cute and it's pink and pretty. And then I ordered the bigger one for like my bra, when I wash my bras and my underwears and things like that. I can put them in here. And I don't have to be running around looking for my underwear as well. Underwear don't come up missing. It's the socks that come up missing. Why? It's like the dryer eats the socks. So these are awesome. And so I ordered this for my daughter. My youngest daughter, she moved back home, and so she has a lot of clothes. So I told her to pull her clothes out in waves, right? Like, since the winter is over, she can pack all her winter clothes in these containers and store them in her storage, because she did get herself a storage for her furniture. And she can put all these winter clothes in these bags like this and put them in the storage, and then she can just bring out her spring and summer stuff. So I ordered her a bunch of these. I think about 6 of these. I think I got some bigger ones and some smaller ones. But if you don't want to put your clothes in these, you can put extra pillows, you can put extra covers and quilts and things like that. But these are awesome, and I like these because it has the little clear section right here, so you can know what you put in there and you don't have to go rambling through them to find things that you're looking for. So these are awesome. So the next thing that I have is a rechargeable grooming kit. For those of us ladies who have these sideburns, now I'm going to be honest with y'all. My sideburns come all the way down here, and I have to shave these sideburns. Otherwise, I'll be walking around here looking like a man by the side of my face. And then my hair is starting to gray, so it'll be a mess, right? So you can use, ladies can use this to shave and trim. You can do your eyebrows with it because it has different attachments in here. It has the big, I already been in these looking at this stuff before the video. So it has the little attachment here. It has these attachments here. And then it has just the regular one if you want to just shave, you know. If you want to shave under your arms, it's a shaver. And what I really like about it is that you can charge it. You don't need any batteries. So that's awesome. I'm not sure what this piece right here is for. I'm going to have to read up on this piece right there. So yes, this is a rechargeable grooming kit. And I am so excited about having this. So the next item that I want to share with you is this. This is super cute. This is a Lazy Susan like organizer here. So what I like about it is it's white and gold. And originally I was going to use it in my kitchen, but my kitchen is silver and white. I'm going to use this in my closet. I am yet to give y'all a tour of my closet with all my clothes and everything in there. So this is going to be cute because my closet is white and gray and you can turn it. You know where else I can use this? In my guest bathroom, because I'm doing gray, silver, and gold in there. This will be so cute. Or even in my guest bedroom, you know, if I want to put some treats in there or some things in there for my guests to use when they come over, this is darling. So y'all may want to get y'all one of these. Okay, it came from Temu. And for all my people who've been following me, get you one of these so you can see how I'm going to use it, so you can use it too. Okay, so this is super cute. So let's move on to some beautiful flowers. Now these are super cute, but I'm going to be honest with you guys. These are plastic. I didn't know they were plastic. I guess I didn't read all the fine print on the things that I picked out, but these are plastic, but they are cute. Originally when I seen them, I'm like, these things are plastic, but the more I look at them, the more I like them, especially the yellow. I mean, and you get, I ordered 2 packs of each. So 2 comes in a pack. So if you like me, you may do 2 in this vase and 2 in that vase, or you may just put 1. But I like these and I cannot wait to style them to show you all how they look. Remember, I told you they're plastic. They're not the cloth or the polyester, you know, material that we're used to with our faux plants, but they are still pretty. These are gorgeous. Okay, now here's something else that I ordered. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. This is beautiful. I love it. Let me turn the light on. Look how cute that is. However, it's really small. I didn't know it was going to be as small as it is. I would have requested 2. But I'm going to have so much fun with this, especially for the holidays. Or better yet, I'm going to use it for the spring, for the summer, in my little coffee table stylings and things like that. It's really cute. And then at night when you cut it on, it gives a really pretty look on your ceiling. This is gorgeous and I cannot wait to show you guys how I'm going to style it. Now, I also ordered these, what are these? This is pampas grass. I wish that I would have picked more than 1 set. 5 comes in a set, and I think I need 5 more sets to give me a full look. But these are gorgeous for the spring, for the summer, for the fall even, because you know we don't always have to use dark colors for the fall. These are cute, and you can put these in vase. This is even cute if you want to use this in your bathroom in a little stem vase or something like that. You can still use just the 5, but if you're anything like me, we're team too much, where more is more and less is a bore. We need more. These are gorgeous. So the next item that I want to share with you now, I opened this up before the video, but it came like this in a box. This is a cleaner, and guess what, guys? You can reach those hard to reach spots. Like, you know how in our house sometimes, you know, a spider may get in and we want to get up there and get that spider off. Look, this thing expands and you can get all the way up to your ceiling. Look at that. This is super awesome. So I cannot wait to use this here. You can clean your ceiling fans with this. And also, if you have a bad back like me and you don't want to bend down to dust off your baseboards, you can dust your baseboards with this. This is awesome. Oh, look how fluffy it is. This is so fluffy. This is really unique. I like this. So this is going to be so awesome to have. So I have 2 more items to share, and this is a quick haul, right? So when I'm at home working, I work from home, sometimes I get chilly in my office and I don't want to cut on the heater, you know, especially if someone else is home with me, because I'm the only cold-natured person here. So I picked out this desktop heater here. It's super cute and I love it to keep me warm and cozy when I'm working. And the last thing the last thing that I want to share with you is for my grandkids. When they come over, when they spend the weekends with me, they're going to be here next week for 3 days. So we can put this in the guest bedroom. This is like a night light you can cut on, and it shows like stars in the ceiling. Oh my God, they're going to love this. But it's also rechargeable. You don't have to have batteries, and you don't have to plug it in or anything like that. You can just charge it up with your USB. So this is awesome for the grandkids or for the kids, or even for that big kid at heart that just loves the stars and the moons and things like that. Oh, and it comes with a remote control. How awesome is that? So y'all know I'm silly. I need to get on camera more, right? So I just want to give a big shout out for Temu for picking me to review their items. It was so much fun, and I hope that everyone enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.